Melissa from Buckeye Groceries and Things, and today is Declutter My Space, and boy, do I need it. With me being a creative and me having a small business in my home, it seems like everything piles up. So I'm going to be going through some totes of things that I've collected for the business and see what I can declutter. The host of this collaboration is the Gray 5 DIY. Please go check her out, and the playlist and the host will be in my description. Okay, I'm going to start filling this box with stuff to declutter in my crafter. I'm starting off with 3 cozies and a kid's bow maker. I'm getting rid of this. I'm going to get rid of 2 of these swags. And I'm going to start over here. I'm going to keep this so I find another home for it. I'm going to get rid of this box. And this is trash. I don't know where my trash can went. I don't know. Oh, it's over there. I am going to get rid of these. I'm getting rid of all these. A football frame, I don't think I'll ever do. Gonna get rid of these. Oh. I'm gonna get rid of the St. Patrick's Day. I don't sell St. Patrick's Day very well. And I'm going to get rid of the hearts. I'm going to get rid of the apple. I'm going to get rid of an anchor. I'm getting rid of this sign. I have a lot of stuff I have to go through, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting rid of this and this. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, we're going to fill another box. Of stuff, and maybe even a bag for the declutter. A shirt, I never wore it, didn't like it because it has holes in it. Don't even keep you warm. Rug, brand new, didn't like it either. It feels like a sponge. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff. Hat, it's going to go. I'm going to get rid of some more craft stuff. I'm going to get rid of this. 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 I'm getting rid of this. Oh, I'm going to keep that. Didn't know what it was. I'm going to get rid of this shirt And our box is almost full. I'm gonna get rid of these. Oh wow, I found some stuff I didn't know I had. I misplaced these. Something I could do for one of my craft shows. Jana, I'm sorry I couldn't find those.